Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious restaurant style chilli chicken. If you are an Indo-Chinese food lover like me, then do check out the recipe and give it a try. Jodi apan ee recipe ko odiyare dekhiବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି then ତଳେ ଥିବା description box link को check କରନ୍ତୁ. First take half kg of boneless chicken. To that add half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix everything well with the chicken. Marinate for 2 to 3 hours or more. This ensures the chicken is soft and juicy. After the chicken is marinated, add 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 3 tablespoons of Maida or all-purpose flour, 1 chopped green chilli, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic chopped. Mix well and coat the chicken pieces. Our chicken is ready to be fried. Heat oil in a kadai. Deep fry the chicken pieces in medium hot oil. Let the pieces sit for a minute before stirring. After that, stir and fry from all sides till the chicken turns golden brown in color. Our chicken is perfectly fried now. Fry all the chicken pieces and keep aside. In another bowl, take 2 tablespoons of ketchup. To that, add 2 tablespoons of red chilli sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix well and keep aside. Now in a kadai, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. To that, add 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic chopped. Saute the ginger and garlic for a minute and then add 4 to 5 slit green chillies and saute for a minute. Add 4 onions chopped into big chunks. Saute the onions for 2 minutes. After that, add 1 capsicum chopped into big chunks. Saute the capsicum for 2 more minutes. Add the sauce mixture. Mix well with the veggies and then add 1/4 cup of water and mix. Now add salt as per taste and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Give it a mix and then add the corn flour slurry. Just mix 1 teaspoon corn flour with 2 teaspoon water and add to it. Mix well and combine. The sauce has thickened now. Add the fried chicken pieces. Gently mix and coat the chicken with the sauce. Our delicious chili chicken is ready now. The taste of this chili chicken is totally like restaurant and the texture is just so good. So do try this out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.